From the Rural Radio Network, I'm Lacey Shippey with a look at what's happening in grain and livestock trade today. Grains are sharply lower today with soybeans leading the reversal. Cattle futures are mixed with live cattle trying to hold slightly higher futures here today. To talk about it, we've got Mike Zuzolo with Global Commodity Analytics. And Mike, we'll start on the commodity side of things. What on earth is causing such heavy selling pressure in the grain market today?
Well, yet another day of dashed expectations, it seems, Lacey, only we've swapped over into the grain complex. I think the heart and soul of today's liquidation pressure are the longs have been looking for confirmation of those soybean purchases, especially from China. They've been looking for the purchases and specifics from wheat. They've probably gotten a little bit more from wheat, and that's why I think the soy is taking out the October levels now back below the October highs. And something to watch, new weekly lows, in fact. And this is a wide-ranging break to the downside, so it looks like a pretty wide-ranging liquidation phase here at mid-session.
Okay, and on the cattle side of things, we are seeing live cattle trying to come back. December up 55 cents. Tell me a little bit about what we can expect to see. Are we done with the liquidation that we saw happen yesterday? Could we come back up a little bit? What do you think is going to happen there?
Yeah, too early to tell, but certainly nice to see the fat cattle coming back around and supporting the feeders. We've got that old high from the standpoint of the 226 level that we want to get back up above, that we want to see that price action, the cash market probably playing a big role here. Big disparity continues between the cash at 235 versus the futures hitting around 218 for the current low on the day, but watching those outside markets real closely.
And to cause such a down day yesterday, do we have any sort of reason as to why we saw such a sharp liquidation?
Yeah, I think it's more of a technically led price action, fund led price action, and the trade not wanting to look quite yet at the cash versus the futures. They've got a little time to play here, it seems.
Well, thank you, Mike. That is Mike Zuzolo with Global Commodity Analytics. For a check of your grain and livestock markets, I'm Lacey Shippey with the Rural Radio Network.